Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, Todd the Kayak Warrior back with another little video. This time, I have a special guest, one of my guys that I watch all the time. His name is JC from Rad Reeling Fishing. Look, if you guys have never watched his videos, you have to go out and watch him. Not just because he has an infectious laugh, but he is an awesome fisherman. He'll teach you what you need to know about saltwater fishing, especially if you're a beginner. So, welcome, JC.
Awesome, man. I'm looking forward to it. Almost got hooked on the rod there. But...
So look, we're gonna go out here and try to catch something. JC is gonna show me today how to catch fish in his area. So I'm super excited. I think we have the tide working with us today, so we're gonna go out and catch them. Stay tuned, guys.
All right, let's do it.
See them popping over there.
Yep.
To the left of that mark. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swing around. There's a canal on the back. I'm gonna just work the mangroves down. I'll let you have this whole point area. See what you can do, man.
Okay. I'm just gonna stay on I was gonna stay on the left side if you went on the right.
I'm just gonna let you have the whole thing.
I appreciate it. All right, guys. We are gonna start off with a topwater, and we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna start on this side of it and work our way up. The current is pushing me back this way. There's a blow up there. Yep, already. Big, it was a big one, just blew up. I'm gonna get him. Let's see what we can do here. Yep, they are feeding like crazy right now. I might have to take a paddle tail through there. Look at there. All right, let's switch to this paddle tail real quick. Switch to a paddle tail. Because I believe fish on, fish on. There's the first one. Paddle tail, JC. There we go. There's the first snook of the day. Oh, he came off. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a good fish. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, see that? No bites. Let's do this though. There's a fish. See? Stop and retrieve. Stop and go is working. That's what's working. The straight retrieve is not working. The same size. Looky there. You gotta love these fish though. Man, snook fishing is fun. It is absolutely fun. It's another one, about 19 inches. You gotta love it. So much fun. See you, buddy. All right, it has slowed down a little bit. Even though they're feeding, I'm not getting nearly as many hits. So I don't know if it's JC's hooked up again. He lost it. There's another hit. I'm getting hits now across this way. So that's where I need to go to. Yeah, it's a dolphin. It is a dolphin, so that's going to change the game a little bit. Because if I know he's there, the fish know he's there. Yep, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yep. I'm only one cast away. Only one cast away. There we go. There we go. Ah, lost it. He was a little bit bigger too. That was a good fish. That was a good fish. There we go. There's a nice size fish. Oh! He broke me off. Yeah, that was a big snook. I mean, he took off. Oh boy, that was a big snook. All right, guys, this is what we're catching right here. Catching nice snook. So, hope you guys are enjoying it. I know I am. All right. You wanna let me go? Along this edge, because there's a nice drop off right here. Yep, there's another one. Yep, they're sitting right up along it, right up along the edge, right along the edge, and they're just waiting for the bait fish to come by. And sure enough, there's another little opportunity. That is not. It's a little grouper. That is a grouper. Oh, he broke me off too. I didn't want to do that. Should have let him run. Hey guys, little check-in. We are both catching a lot of fish, and this is pretty enjoyable. Glad I came down here with JC. This is a pretty good trip. But I wanted to pause and share my verse of the day with you guys. And it's Father's Day was recently, and so what we did at our church, we handed out wristbands to all of the men in the church, and they all had different verses on them. So today, I'm going to switch this around. As you see, mine is Isaiah 40:31. Those who wait for the Lord will renew their strength, and they will mount up with wings like eagles. They will run and not be weary. They shall walk and not be faint. And so as believers in this day and age, in this culture, we can't, waver. We have to trust the Lord, and he's going to give us the strength whenever we feel weak or we feel defeated. We're never defeated because we have the Lord. So I hope you guys are just enjoying life. Make sure you are sharing your faith with your family and friends, because we're getting to the end days, guys, and the Lord's word is true. He is coming back. So we're either going to do one or two things. We're going to leave this earth in death, or we will be caught up with him when he comes back. And so either way, you're going to have to face him one day, and he's going to ask that question of, why should I let you in? If it's because of what I've done, who I am, the money I have, well, you won't be getting in. It's those who trust and believe in him and have, you know, given their lives to him fully. Those are the ones that will be in. So, you know, there's an old song, I want to be counted in the number. So that's where I'm at. I am going to get back out here to fishing. Hopefully we go catch a couple more. We might change it up here in a little bit and go try to catch some snapper. But we're having fun. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to watch the master.
Pressure's on. The cameras are on.
The cameras are on. Oh, let me move out of the way here.
These guys are pretty small.
Small can produce fish though. And I can't complain, they're free bait. That thing is so sweet. That thing is sweet.
Subscriber named John that I met out here. We've become pretty good buddies just talking, you know. He told me, he said I never do good when I hook those greenbacks in the nose. They always fly off. He said I started tail hooking them. He said I put a little split shot on there.
That makes sense though.
And it makes them look injured. I tried that and it worked. I'm like, well, all right.
I think that's good for me now, JC.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll
keep those things alive, and
yeah, I'll see if I can go get us some bigger ones.
living life. I'm loving it.
I don't know.
I caught somebody snook this morning though.
Did you?
Oh.
Did you get enough for a video?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I probably hooked and, you know, I actually got 7 in the boat.
Nice.
And probably hooked another 4 more, and then that grouper.
Yeah.
So, plenty.
Good. Well, the plan's working. So
It is working. Ouch. All right. I need to measure this guy just to see. 'Cause I'm curious how big they are. See that? It's right at 10. I'm not gonna keep him because he's right at 10. Still not big enough. They're getting bigger, but they're not big enough. Still not big enough. There we go. Fish on! Fish on, baby. He is not fighting like a snook though. Gotta catch a catfish on a paddle tail. Alright, let me see if I can quick release him. hooks like every time I come out now. I am like the catfish king. There we go. There we go. Haven't caught one in a while, but looky there. Look who decided to play. How you doing? Good. Not too bad. A little small one, but first one we've had in a while. Redfish, finally. Looky there though. Nice little redfish. One spot on each side. Probably about 16, 17 inches. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for us today. Got to hang out with my buddy JC, Rad Reeling Fishing. He is an amazing fisherman. So he invited me down here, and man, this was awesome. So
Good time. Yeah.
got to come back and do it again. All right, so I'm going to make sure that I link his channel below in the description. You got to check him out. And if you check him out, you have to subscribe. All right, that is a must. All right, guys, remember, God loves you. God bless you. May he keep you. Till next time, peace.
See ya.